Before the big launch, the project manager checked it in with every team member to make sure nothing was falling through the cracks. I texted my friend just to check in. I hadn't heard from her in weeks and wanted to make sure she was okay. Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb check in. Check in has two essential meanings you need to know. First, it means to register your arrival at a hotel, an airport, a meeting, or an event. Second, and more importantly, it means to connect with someone, to ask how they are doing, to give a quick update, or to make sure things are on track. In a professional context, checking in is one of the most underrated leadership skills. You check in with your team before a deadline to remove roadblocks. You check in with a client to show you care about more than just a contract. Managers who check in regularly build trust, catch problems early, and make their people feel valued. It's a small gesture with massive impact. In everyday life, checking in is how you show you care. You check in on a friend who is going through a tough time. You check in with your parents after a long week. It's not a long conversation, it's a simple message that says, I'm thinking about you. Now that you understand the core meaning of check in, subscribe if you want to master more phrasal verbs that English speakers actually use every day. And if this example helped you, let me know by hitting the like button. Also, turn on notifications. We post new videos on this channel every Wednesday. Let's see check-in in action. Example 1. The department head checks in with every new hire during their first week to make sure they have everything they need. Example 2. Before the client presentation, she checked in with the design team to confirm all slides were ready and approved. Example 3. I called my grandmother on Sunday just to check in, and she was thrilled to hear my voice. Example 4. After his friend moved to a new city, he checked in every Friday with a quick message, and they stayed close.
Subscribe.
Now it is your turn. Go to the comments and post your own example using check-in. Commenting is a powerful way to show engagement with our community, but more importantly, it helps you put your new vocabulary into real practice immediately. So, don't skip this part. If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.